everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Fox in the Kitchen. Join me today as I show you a fun, simple recipe for banana bread, only on Baking with Fox in the Kitchen. Fox Hall fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Fox Hall Kitchen. This week I am super excited as I'm showing you a fun, simple recipe for banana bread. It's quick, easy, and so simple. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, first off we're going to go ahead and start off with our dry ingredients. I got a cup and a half of flour here. Try to get all that out of there. Sometimes it sticks to the bottom there. Next up we got a half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay.
And I'm just going to whisk this together here quick, just make sure it's combined here. Then we move on. Now that we got our dry ingredients done, I want to go ahead and mash up some bananas. The thing with banana bread, the riper the banana, the better it's going to be. Because do you know what the reason is why more ripe bananas are?
There's a lot more banana flavor in them when they're ripe like that.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of cut these down a little bit, and then gonna mash them up here with a fork.
Okay.
Don't have to be necessarily pretty with it. And what do you like about banana bread, Dave?
I don't know. It's something that's really easy to make, and it's very tasty.
Yeah, it's simple.
Mm-hmm.
You can have it for breakfast. You can have it for just like a basic after school snack for your kids.
Mm-hmm.
And the recipe we're doing, it's kind of pretty healthy too, if you think about it.
Mm-hmm.
And kind of looking at it, we've been on YouTube almost 5 years and we've never done banana bread. So
banana bread till today.
Yeah, so always want to be doing something new, something exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's just something simple.
Right.
It's just like a simple banana bread. You know, like I said, you don't have to necessarily be particular with cutting up the banana.
Mm-hmm.
I went ahead and cut up 3 bananas here, and I'm just going to go ahead and mash it down here with a fork, and then we'll go ahead and move on.
Okay.
Alright, next up, now that we got our bananas mashed, we're going to go ahead and do a stick of butter at room temperature.
Mm-hmm.
Add that to our mixer here. Try to get all the butter scraped out of here, but sometimes it's easier said than done.
Mm-hmm.
And then 3/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And we're just going to beat this together here until it's creamy. Is that how you say it? Creamy?
Yes, creamy.
Okay. Alright. We're going to add 2 eggs. And then also our bananas.
Okay.
That we mashed up. Oh, this is coming out better than what I expected, so I was kind of worried the bananas were going to stick to my bowl here. So. Alrighty, let's go ahead and mix this together until everything is combined. Alrighty, that looks awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Look how well that combined there.
Really well mixed.
Yes, next we're going to take our dry ingredients here from before.
Okay.
Fingers crossed we don't have a flour cloud. But you know, it wouldn't be a Fox Hollow episode without something.
Saw something going everywhere.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and mix this together here. And then we're going to add some more stuff. Alright, Dave, what do you think? You think
I think
looks...
that's well mixed.
Okay. Next up, we're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
To that, we're going to add a cup of chopped walnuts.
Yum.
And then also, we're going to add half a cup of raisins to the mix.
Okay. Just throw them in.
All right, I think that looks pretty good there, Dave. What do you think?
Looks delicious.
Okay, I believe you got me a bread pan ready to go here.
Yep.
Okay, let's go ahead and get this ready for the bread pan and ready for the oven. Okay, guys, we got our bread pan here, which Dave was nice enough to cut me some parchment paper here so we can lift it out of the bread pan a little easier. I'm going to go ahead and just pour our batter directly in.
Mm-hmm.
I can get a whiff of it from here, and it smells amazing. I'm super excited about this because, you know, we don't ever really do many recipes like this, but it's a simple recipe and it's really, really good. So I'm definitely excited about doing that. Consider we've got a busy couple weeks coming up here.
Oh, yeah. Busy week.
Well, busy couple weeks in general.
Yeah, generally.
Yeah, we're coming up on 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And we got some definite surprises in store for our 5th show. Or, well, 5th anniversary.
Yeah.
But yeah. I think I've got this pretty well scraped. I mean, what do you think there, Dave?
It's looking good.
Yeah, and then I got the oven preheated for 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for about 55 to 60 minutes.
Perfect.
Or whenever the toothpick comes out clean.
Alright.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this in the oven. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.